Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm making a recipe that my mom has requested, and I'll show you what that is in just a second. So this is what Mom asked for supper tonight. It's the Hillshire Farms Easy Smoked Sausage Skillet. So that's what I'm going to make tonight for dinner. So again, here are the ingredients. 1 package of smoked sausage, 2 cloves of garlic, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, but I'm only going to use about 2 tablespoons, 1 large red pepper. I use green because that's what I had on hand, 1 small yellow onion, 1 package of frozen broccoli, a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, but I'm going to be using water, a 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, 2 cups of rice, and a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. Alright, so let's get started. So anyway, there we go. I'm going to put these to the side. So you can see I got everything mise en place here. I got my sausage, 1 pepper, 1 small onion. I have garlic, and I'm putting a zucchini in because I had leftover zucchini, and 1 package of frozen broccoli, which is almost thawed. Alright, so I got my stove heating, or not my stove heating, well, my stove is heating my skillet. Alright, so just a couple, it said 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup, and so I just put like 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. And then it says to add the garlic, but I'll add my garlic later. And you want to brown your meat in the olive oil. Alright, so I turned my skillet up to medium. Na 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 na. Okay, so they say cook these until they're brown. If you got any that are sticking together like that, just kind of break them apart. Alright, so I've browned my sausages, and now what I'm going to do, I've moved them over to the side, and I'm going to add my peppers and onions. Let them cook up just a little bit. Not too long though, because they need to simmer together with the other vegetables. Alright, so now I'm going to add my zucchini and garlic. And my broccoli, which is still kind of frozen, but that's alright. It'll finish thawing. And then my water and tomato sauce. Alright, now I'm going to put a lid on this. I'm knocking y'all around, so I'm going to put a lid on this and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So, I'm rereading this, and it doesn't say put the lid on, but I'm going to do it anyway, just because my culinary intuition is telling me put a lid on it. Alright, so we're going to let that simmer on medium for 10 minutes. I'll be back. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and check this real quick. See how it's coming along. So you see the broccoli is thawing out as it cooks. See that? It's only been 5 minutes. Because it was like halfway thawed when I put it in. You don't want to do this with everything, but this kind of recipe is fine. As long as you bring everything up to temperature. Alright, I'm going to mix everything. And then let it cook for another 5 minutes. And at this time I have it on low. Everything looks so good. Does that look good to you? Looks good to me. I can't wait. And then you're supposed to add rice to it. I think I want to put it on top of the rice though. Alright, so it's been an additional 5 minutes. Let's see what we got. Alright, let me drip all that good juice back in there. See how bubbly it is? Everything's to the same temperature now. All the vegetables are cooked, nice and tender. The beef is done. Of course, smoked sausage is already cooked. Alright, there's a little bit of juice in there. So if I had cooked it without the lid, there would be no juice. But since this is going to be something I'm going to reheat, I like the juice in there because it keeps it moist. Yep. Alright, so let me get this plated up. Get the rice. Be right back. Alright, just before you serve it, you do want to put the ½ cup of cheese on top. So I'm not even going to measure it out, just put it on top right there. And if you want more cheese, you can put more cheese per serving. It's up to you. So you can either do it with a side of rice like this. Or you can put it in a bowl like this, or you can mix the rice in before you add the cheese on top. So that's how you make it. So thank you for joining me on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for stopping by.